Televidente, buonvenue naar otra edición de Time Out. Ahora en Time Out, tenemos por nosotros un gran honor y junto con nosotros el doble campeón, John Montecalvo, que es el campeón de IHRA, campeón de IHRA un viaje. Vamos a entrevistarle allá en Rockingham. La que nos va a ir por un Time Out cortico, que nos va a ir por un break. Después del break nos va a ir de viaje entrevista con sostener que el doble campeón John Montecalvo. Por eso nos viene back, nos está conversando con Iman. Calvo, we consider you one of the legends of drag racing, especially in ADRL. How do you compare ADRL, let's say, with IHRA?
ADRL is very similar to IHRA in that it's mainly the same teams that we had over there prior, and the difference here is that you know, we're very close-knit group over here. It seems like every race somebody's hosting a barbecue or a dinner. We're all just good friends over here. You know, it's a little bit more of a relaxed atmosphere.
What do you think about the concept that Kenny Nolens came with to give away tickets so that people can come to the track?
I think it's phenomenal. We're seeing more families over here than we've ever saw, and little boys, little girls, you know, they just come here and they're wide-eyed, and there's families that just couldn't afford to do this without that free ticket concept, and I think it's a great idea. It's bringing new people into drag racing.
You know, family being together is the basic of quality time, and he has given all families this opportunity, unique opportunity, to come a complete weekend to do this.
Yes, I mean, you can't go to the movies back home. I think the popcorn's probably $15. So, yeah, he is giving everybody an opportunity, and not only with the free ticket, the way he's doing his advertising and his distribution, he's bringing people here that have never been to a drag race before.
You are twice world champion, and you're still competing. Why? You are twice world champion, you're still competing.
Yes, I just love it. You know, a good portion of it is the competition, of course. I like going fast. I like the adrenaline. I've tried other things. I've tried playing golf, and it just doesn't take me away from my business and my daily life like drag racing does. This takes my total focus, and I forget about everything that's going on back home. When Saturday and Sunday rolls around, it's all drag racing. And the other part of it is that every 3 weeks we get to see our good friends from all around the world.
You must know Trevor Eman from Team Aruba. He is a young guy. I think you must know him from the beginning. How do you see his development?
Trevor is like everybody's son. You know, I've got a son back home, and great boy, and Trevor reminds me so much of him. He's just a clean-cut, nice, polite kid, and he has come so far as a driver. You know, Trevor was a good driver to begin with. He had a lot of natural talent. Now he's a threat.
And I believe he is now close, because I think there are 5, 6, especially this year, fighting for the top position.
Yes, he's right in the thick of it, and it's not over yet. You know, we've got this race to complete today, and we've got Houston after this, and I think right now any of the top 5 can win this thing.
When do we see you in Aruba?
Well, we're going to be in Aruba. We went last year for the first time in November, and we try to vacation twice a year. We take a spring vacation and a fall vacation. We'll be back this November. We loved it. So that's our new November destination.
You will be officially the Goodwill Ambassador of Team Aruba. Tell everybody that you're the Goodwill Ambassador of Team Aruba.
I will definitely do that. I mean, that's what inspired us to go, talking to Trevor and his family. And when we were there visiting, they were very gracious. Trevor took time out of his busy day. I know he's just getting out of college, and he got married and all that, and took time out of his busy day to give us a tour. And we were very impressed with the island. It is truly the happy island and the friendly island.
The next time you come, give us a buzz. You will come in the program. I'll interview on our TV station.
I will definitely do that. We'll be in touch with Trevor. We'll be emailing back and forth. But I believe we're there starting November 10th.
Thank you. Another thing, how you find this weekend? Because Rockingham is the place for the drag racing.
Rockingham, I mean, they call it drag stock for a reason. This place was jam-packed last night, and it was packed right up to the rafters. And It's just a phenomenal racetrack. There's just so much history here. And we just love coming to this racetrack because of the history. And obviously, they know how to pack the stands here.
Good luck, Mr. Montecalvo.
Thank you very much. We'll see you in Aruba.
Televidente, danke perché junto con nos, nostro junto con il signor Van Eman. Van, Montecalvo, che tu leyenda, no?
Ma escucha su entrevista, mi tolto te ora bahasiele, non può aggregare nada na lo quale la bisa, unico come può bisa, come sta orgoglioso, quella bira un timeshare owner na Aruba, e con tuo suo amico nel seguente 2 anni lo tengo un timeshare na Aruba. Te tipo di crenga anche ta den, bo sa hene nan kupor, e lo nanta vai visitare Aruba den anni nan kutabini. Ja, ook het begin pa di 2 anni november.
Dia 10 de novembro também. Tem mais auto de espera, right?
Tem auto de espera, pero também valeu de pista não. Então tem hora me está comandando que tá coisa auto vai fazer um ticket testing, mas bem, queda
em shape. Correto. Algo também que a maioria de entrevistas, né? Que eu encontrei papel over de trava, e palavra de lógica só não tinha.
Angusta travel, pessoa mira travel lanta. Traverta o più rispettoso e toma Montecalvo, por exemplo, o viviamo tava eco traver de uma esquina e esta gusta guia traver de direção correta, você e então ele que gusta Aruba, gusta nós, você e me tá opi satisfeito com não tem traversina opi na pecho e de tour na banda vou por mira era Carl Baker e o aqui Montecalvo tá fiz bom sono da uma traver.
Seguro. E Cala, vou ver se cala toda necuna, porque trabalho profissional da América lá começar.
Sim.
Como é cala toda necuna de trabalho dele. É tudo bom chamar isso também cala.
Sim, natural.
Caldo lenda.
E cal conhece detalhes na de track. Cal tem de qual lanta com a HRA. Quem cal aqui tem de com hope e respect for sanctioning body. Sa ture respect, non lo falta un sanctioning body respect nunca. Sa ene nan ku echt stima un sanctioning body, so it provide nan che lugar di pusta.
Correcto. E ela komt duidelijk voor se cacao. Cacao de basta gramica.
Sì, però sabi. Hopi experiência.
E ela bisame algo, mas poder quase botar original. Die Cooper teams.
Sim, Cooper nanta Native Americans, nanta doing the dragstrip e nanta vindo bom, nanta the underdog at the moment, pero nanting sang na compromotor novo ficasse e não lota largo para mim como mira na top 10 of top 5.
Nada de stress hoor.
Ja,
Lester Cooper.
Nanta lutando um tiki, pero nanta bem.
Ele como they don't have the DNA yet.
No, pero está bien.
Você precisa outro curso.
Sim.
So, com o tempo
está bem seguro.
Ben, siguiente viaje para Texas.
Largo, claro.
Como você viaja?
Muito provavelmente a mim vai para mim e como se Bobby viaja para Texas, 28 para 30 horas de caminho, nosso sorte não está já à noite, setup para travar para Iega já à noite, teste whips e ora já vem que sabra depende quando em Coreia weekend que se não tem Coreia à noite ante Coreia já sabe que já vem que sabra por isso não se sabe ainda e dependendo do where não se o where todo que é na Coreia à noite
televidente aqui está outro programa com nossa Teresa para fina cortesia de Banco de Caribe de Nagico Anvei de Compra Anvei também de Caribe Mercantile Bank Anvei que nessa toda transmissão die con onze hazen naar Rockingham possible. Hermano, danke.
Danke, Claret.
Mañana nos bij team.
Thank you.
Und die Bomein haben wir dann den Thema Ruhe. Dag Schieber.
Ja.